This week on London Real, we have Joe Cross, creator of the award-winning documentary Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead.
Time bomb waiting to explode. I was thinking that the boats and the cars and the watches and they were more important than the micronutrients and the blood pressure and the cholesterol. I didn't consume life. I consumed dead and recently dead. Juicing is drinking water filtered through plants. So I locked myself up in what I'm calling fruit and veggie prison. After 5 months, no more medication, 100 pounds down, felt the best I'd ever felt in my life.
On Sunday, London Real presents Joe Cross, Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead.
You should love your plants more. Don't turn your back on Mother Nature.